Good morning guys. Hello, it's Pagdinig naman sa vlog. So good morning. Lagay tayo ng earrings. The aim is I'm going to use all my fashion jewelry a little bit at a time or every day. I will start wearing them so I can enjoy. Ito guys, yung mga tag $1, $2. $1, $2 lang to guys. Yung iba is ano yun, hindi ko malagay. Ano siya guys, yung iba mga tag $3 pero multiple in a pack. If you get the $3, $4, there's few of them in the pack. Some of them I got from Kmart in Australia. So lagay natin, we'll put it here so we can use it every day. Ayan. So we look good in the store. Okay. So this is what I'm doing this morning. Separating all my fashion jewelry. Ayan. So, let's
Okay. Bargain. Yeah, this is what I got. It's 2 of this and 2 of that. Okay, let's go. So guys, we are here from SM. So ito guys, yung nabili natin from SM. Mag-unboxing tayo later. Ito guys, oh. Ito natin ilalagay kasi unboxing siya natin later. Actually, hindi ko siya. Actually, I don't need it straight away because there is a story why I end up buying for such so many things. So ayan guys, pumunta kami guys sa we went to our hardware, Ace Hardware or something like that. Hindi siya Ace Hardware. The one in Robinson. I forgot the name. We have a bag here. Dad, have you got the bag of flashlight? Okay. I forgot the name of the shop that we went. It's a hardware in Robinson guys. And then we went there and they have 2 of these guys, 2 of these of the dowel what you call air fryer, 2 for 4,200. So I said to Daddy, no, that's not right because I seen in SM 2 for 3,000. Actually in SM 2 for 2,200, this one, and then this one here is 2 for 1,007. So 223239. I think I paid 4,200. Lang. Okay. Ay, harap na tito mo. Nakita ay kami sa Robinson. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so for customer. So, ayan. I don't know if... Okay, so to continue guys, our ano, yun. So, 1,002 and 1,239. So, 4,2 daw lahat ang binayaran ko. So, may tax siguro siya. 1,728. 2,4 I think. 2,4 plus 1 is 3,4 plus 700. Yeah, something like that. 4,080 ang nabayaran ko sa mga ano pala to, 2,229 niya. So guys, ito, nakabili ako ng 4. Pero doon sa Robinson, ito lang, dalawa po, 4,400. Ito nakuha ko siya. So 4,080 lang. May dalawang rice cooker na ako sa SM na extra. Kaya hindi ko binili yun kasi sa price of this, may dalawa ka ng extra. O diba, nakabargain talaga ako guys. So, it's very, very good. So, ayan. Nag-picture na tayo. So, guys, kung bubuksan siya, ganun pa rin. Nag-testing na doon kanina sa store. So, we save a lot of money by buying. For the price of this in the other store, 4,400, only these two. But here, all 4,080, $117 for all 4. So if I bought the 2, only this one I get. But I said, no, we go to the next mall. So I got this for the same price. I don't need to get it, but because my rice cooker there, somebody took it. Somebody took the plate, so there is no plate. Ito guys, walang plate yung rice cooker natin. I'm still looking for the plate of this. Complete with the cover. So, wala siyang plate. Pero, they are the same. See? The same ito. Yan. They are the same. So, I can use the plate into this one. But anyway, I'm gonna look for the plate because I think somebody got the plate anyway somewhere. Okay. But we still have the rice cooker. So I'll just put this away. Put away na lang muna natin ito guys. There. I got one more. 2. And now one more to keep. So I need to keep it somewhere, right? Maybe over there. Okay. I only need one for Dad's food in here. So he said he's gonna have the other one in the second floor for him to, to look after. He needs to have one. 7 days. It has warranty. Okay, unboxing. So this is in SM Bacolod. We like to use the air fryer for Dad's food. So you just chuck it inside with the oil. That's why we like about it. Oh, cute siya guys. Yung air fryer na to. So tonight, I'm gonna use it for Dad's beef patty. Ayan. Okay. Alright guys, very nice. I'm gonna put it over there. So easy to cook for his food. If we can get his food right, then we're good to go. We need to get his food right because we cannot cook just, we are trying to keep him healthy. That's the goal. Ayan. See guys, yan na siya. So I'm planning to put it here. Ayan. Okay. Dito tayo. Aabot ka ba? Oh yes. Aabot. Ay, naku. Tatlo. And guys, got three. Three pro. I need another one. Yeah. Right here. Yes, babe. Oh, shoot. Yes, you're right. I forgot to buy extension cord. That's one of the main goals. Main goal is to get done. Okay. Nice and soft. Guys, cute siya guys. Nice and soft. Mm. Ganito pala. This is the timer. Ayun. We can turn it off. And we can leave it there. That is our system for that one. Diyan siya guys. You can put it there. But then I needed to change around our things. Mag-change around talaga tayo nito. Hindi pwede hindi. Hindi pwede hindi guys. We need to rearrange everything. Okay. 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 That. There you go. We're gonna put you there. Okay. So we can put it there. And this one we have to put it here. Yun guys. Yan lang siya. And this one is away from the dapat. So I forgot to buy the Sige na lang, extension cord and especially this one. Ugat. So, hindi naman siya, ano guys, maganda tingnan dyan. Pero, we need to rearrange everything. Okay. Yan. I like the small fryer. So cute. Just enough for dad's food. We have a big one upstairs. But we noticed that our friends here, they are not so familiar. Only few of them uses air fryer. Most of them fried in the oil, vegetable oil. So we are sort of, you know, um, be careful of what's going on with it. Ay, ay, ay. So that's it, guys. Have to rearrange this first before we can continue our vlog. So, ayun guys. Umalis na sila ni Daddy. Nabili ko sila ng tubig. Tapos, may binili lang sila para sa store. Kaunti lang naman yun guys. Tapos, next day na lang talaga ako ng full shopping. Ang importante today na nabili namin is yung ito guys, yung mga pinamili. Nalimutan ko bumili nito. I wanted to buy another one of it. Yung medyo iba. Yung style. So, wala na talaga akong iba nito. But anyway, yung magkasya siya dito guys. At saka mag-blend siya dyan. Yun. So, anyway, nag-ano pa rin ako na ano nga ang tawag? Na lilinis pa dyan. So, hindi pa talaga ako tapos. So, if I put the camera down in a minute, dyan na talaga ako makapag-concentrate. Siguro mga another 20 minutes, tapos na yan siya guys. So, I shall continue. Pinabili ko si Tamtam ng tubig. I shall continue guys ng paglilinis dito. May dalawa pa tayong box na hindi natin na-put away. Nandoon na yung isa. Nakapusing na yung isa. Actually, that's in the wrong place. Kasi kaldero dapat yung nandyan eh. Ayun o. Yung pot na yan. So, that's not it. So, i-ano ko muna. I-arrange ko muna guys ha. Pasensya na. So, sorry that I can't take you in my short adventure for now because it's very hard to vlog when I'm working. So I'm very grateful that I can do small vlogs at a time for you guys because it's sometimes hard to position the camera where I work because I'm all over the place. But anyway, so sorry. My apologies for that. I'm going to try my very best to let you see what we really do here as our life here in Bacolod opens up to the world and showing you what we do. But I'm going to try to do a video for you guys, little bit at a time. All right, so I hope you don't mind. So I shall accept and I shall be back. Don't you worry. So okay guys, let's go. Ito guys, binili din namin ito. Hindi mo kayo makakita masyado guys. Kaunti. Okay, so ayan na yung mga pinamili natin. Yan na sila. Apat. May mga laman pa yan guys. Oh. Dito naman sa isa lang yung naano natin na bawas. Yeah. Di talaga. Ay, ayan. Hindi naman tayo makakita ng Ayan. Very good. So, ito guys, bumili din kami. I-charge ko siya. Kasi nagba-brown out minsan. So, may mga maliliit kami na flashlights. Pero hindi talaga masyadong maasahan. So, this one is, I'm hoping na better siya guys. Medyo malaki-laki yung pwersa niya. Ano siya kasi mga ganito minsan, nag-aalala ako sa ganitong system. Kasi parang hindi sila nag-work. Mga ganitong sistema, hindi sila nag-work. So, ano natin, charge. Okay, may instruction siya guys. Manual instruction. Ito siya is 595. So, doon kami tumingin sa handyman pala guys. Handyman. Yun, doon kami tumingin ng air fryer. Pero medyo mahal siya doon. So, ito nakabili kami. It's 595. Ayan siya. Yung ganyan. Importante talaga ito guys dito sa Pilipinas yung mga ganito. Sa Australia, isa lang yung ano namin. Backup light, hindi pa nagamit. Nagamit lang namin pag wala namang brownout. Pero pag lumalabas kami, that's how we use it to go out ba sa yard. Pero sabi na magamit mo siya, hindi namin nagamit. So, iba talaga yung ganap dito sa Philippines. You need to be ready for brownout talaga. You know, yung walang wifi, nadadown yung mga so prepare ka talaga guys. At saka ito yung isa. Gumagana naman sila guys. Pag-try namin sa kanila kanina. Ayan diba? Ayan. Ang liwanag niya guys. Liwanag siya. Yan. Really good. Ayan, meron pa dito isa. Whichever you want. So, i-charge ko siya ng fully charge para mamaya. Minsan kasi hindi mo lang ayan ang ganda niya Yan. Tada! May ilaw tayo. Yun. It's really good. Okay. So, yan ang nabili natin na pang brown out accessory. Dapat handang-handa kapag nakatira ka dito guys sa Pilipinas. Magugulat ka na lang wala ka ng ilaw. Magugulat ka na lang. So, firefly. Ito. Alright. Hindi ko guys maabot yung mga mataas. Okay. Linalagay ko muna siya dyan kasi bago lang kabibili. So pag anything happen, may box pa tayo na ibabalik siya. Normally tinatapon ko na yan. Pero also here, lesson learned, wag mo muna siyang bitawan for 7 days. Para na maibalik mo. So this one is very, very good. Nakailaw tayo for nga ito. Ito siya. Yung flashlight at saka emergency light. Okay guys, tapos bumili din tayo ng Goldilocks. Of course, may egg pie tayo guys. Isa, ayaw ni daddy ng egg pie, pero nag-agree siya na bibili ako ng chicken pie. Baked pie. Ayan. 75 pesos ang isa. So, this is 150 ang dalawa. Ito parang 55. Hindi ko alam. Nalimutan ko. Tapos, of course, ito. Ayan. My favorite. Assorted. At saka yung assorted na pulburong at saka ito yung pareho lang man to guys, assorted. Kala ko ubi. Pareho silang assorted ang nabili ko. Dapat ubi yung isa. Okay na lang. It's fine. Kainin na lang natin. Woohoo! Woohoo! What's out their head? Ay unod nga duha ka tawo. There's two people. Okay, we go. Sige. Good evening. We are in Palawod, everybody. We are with Father Bando. Guys, Father Tuto. Si Glenn nakalaktag, Glenn. And then dira tamakaon. Okay guys, that's where we're gonna eat. Let's go in and enjoy the night. Nasa galing namin, yung naka-vlog. Share na siya. Check natin siya. So guys, we are home. We just finished our dinner. We went to Palawod and they have a fire dancer. So we're just gonna say good night. We just finished watching TV. Night, Daddy. Are you gonna have a shower?
Good night.
He's heading to the shower. So guys, that's it for our vlog for today. So we went to dinner and it was just about to rain, but it didn't rain while we are there. So it's very, very good, guys, that we've been able to go out. It's Friday night here, and we've been just at home, but we actually went out as well today and have some lunch. And tonight we went out for dinner just to go out. So tomorrow is Saturday, Sunday.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.